All right, so let's get started. First of all, you are going to go on to Google to search for the item that you want to use for this ad. So in this case, I am going to search for a white fashion winter jacket because I don't have any product right now of my own to use. But this I am using as an example. You can use your own product. So for example, you produce clothes, anything. This tutorial that I'm showing you right now can be applied to just about anything that you create. It can be beads, it can be bracelets, it can be clothes, just anything. So once you have everything saved, you come to this website, Google Flow. I am going to write it on. You search for Google Flow and you hit enter. So that is it. That is the first one. You click on that. Once you click on that, it is going to load. But if you don't already have an account, you have to create an account. As you can see, I already have an account, so I'm not going to create an account. So I'll just go and click on my projects. And then you upload all your products. So in this case, I uploaded the balaclava and the jacket that I downloaded. And I will teach you how to create your own character. So you click on both of them and add it to prompt with your character. You can upload a picture of yourself as the character. And then you copy this prompt over here. Copy everything. I will leave it in the description box, and then you paste it here. So once you paste it here, you see those parts, you clean it, and then you click, and then you click on Shift plus at, and then you select your character. So use, and then the name of the character comes as the locked face identity reference end. So as the reference, you also click Shift plus your reference, and if the reference are multiple, you type end and you select the other reference too. So once you are done, that is the complete prompt. I am going to leave it in the description box, and then you just fire it. If you don't understand anything, just leave it in the comment section and I would attend to you and explain the part that you don't understand. Just like I do on this channel, I take you through everything step by step. There is nothing like full editing where I'm going to cut some parts out. No, I want you to follow everything like you would be sitting just by me whilst I teach you. So now we wait for the product to generate the ad for us. That is it right there generating. So you would have to wait for the percentage to reach 100, but most times it wouldn't even reach 100. It would just load to sometimes 50 and the image will just start appearing. So that is that the image is appearing, and you see the magic of this AI. This is not C dance. This is completely free. So now let's play. It always generates 4 seconds of video, but you can generate multiple and then combine everything to have a long form. So I'm going to show you how to do that here by using a different type of style. So this time is a different type of prompt, and I will leave that also in the description section. But I will show you how to generate your own style. For example, you don't want to use mine and you want to use a different style. I am going to show you how to do that also. But this time I'm going to show you how to generate multiple styles or multiple videos. So just like we did in the beginning, you attach your character and the items that you want to make the advert about. Then you click on settings, and then we are not generating with image, we are generating video. So you click there and you select Omni Flash, and then you click on the times 2. So this time it is going to generate 2 4 seconds videos, which we can add to the previous one that we generated. So now we have 4 seconds videos, like 3 of them, which we can combine to make a long form ad. And just like that, there we have it. Now let's try to play. All right, so just like I promised, I am going to show you how to you click on upload media, and you upload the dress, and then create the character. I'll show you how to create your own products in a different video. So have your products like ready, you can upload and then you upload it as the character. You don't have to create it with AI. And as I promised, how to generate your own style. So you go, I want to make a very luxury commercial ad for women dress. You just type anything, the AI is going to understand. So for women dress, write me a fast paced ad, luxury style, pace. I spelled it wrong, PAC, for an African women dress. So we wait for it to generate the style for us. So as you can see, ChatGPT generated it in a form of a concept or a script. So we tell it we don't want that. We want something like this one. So I copied this one and then went back there and pasted it, and I said no, make it based on a format like this, and I pasted it. So it's going to rewrite the whole script and then give us a prompt or a style for this ad based on the style that I pasted. So you can see now it's very well detailed. So you can use this format for just about anything that you produce. So now I come here with my item and character attached. I paste the prompt and just watch the magic happen. You can use it for anything, just anything. Slippers, beads, just about anything that you sell. Even if you sell tomatoes in the market, you can use it to design an ad for it. If you also want to learn how to create AI images or AI photographies, you can join my Telegram group where I paste very well detailed prompt, because most images now that is being generated by AI comes along as being very fake. But I have developed a concept or a type of prompt that makes every image comes out in the highest format. So now our ad is generating. And just like that, we have it here. All right. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click on the subscribe button, like the video so other people can see it. And if you want to learn more about AI in the most simple way with no so much editing and stuff like other people create content, and you want to learn it and learn it well in the boring way, this is the right channel for you, because I take you from the beginning. Everything is done step by step with clear explanations. If this is something you like or is something that you are interested in, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. In the next video, as I promised, I'm going to teach you how to generate high quality, high 4K AI pictures, even with your own images. So see you in that one. Bye.